If you hate the smell of ammonia for cleaning glass or mirrors and want to try something eco-friendly, try vinegar. Windex makes a version with vinegar, or if you want to make your own, you can make a vinegar cleaner with water and essential oils, or you can even use the rinds of a citrus fruit like a lemon or a lime or an orange and make a vinegar citrus cleaner. It's amazing, streak-free, and when you add essential oils, you do cover up the smell of the vinegar so it doesn't smell like a salad at Olive Garden. And it's great. Just make sure you do not use vinegar on natural stone like granite or marble, and you don't use it directly on wood because vinegar is acidic and it will etch away and eat away at that surface. So you have to use caution when using it. But vinegar is great for mirrors and glass. And if you want to see my recipes, check out my YouTube channel, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. And I have a group on Facebook, Green Clean Group, where it's all about eco-friendly cleaning. And check out my TikTok channel too.